Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on Dartmoor in some very rainy conditions, but albeit some nice ones. Now, of course, you normally make rain out to be quite annoying in photography, but this is what I like to call straight down rain, where it's nice and peaceful, especially you can hear the birds chirping away. I've had a nice walk, so I hope you enjoyed that little start to the video. But yeah, straight away, of course, getting the camera out in the rain is always a bit of a fuss, but I've got my towel here. Now my first photo I think is going to be the raindrops on the reservoir, so I'm going to make sure to get a high shutter speed to freeze the raindrop on the reservoir itself. I'm going to actually finish up as quick as I can to get the photo. Now I'm not sure if I'll be able to get some B-roll behind it, but I think I should get a nice photo. Yeah, it's just going to be a nice peaceful evening hopefully, but there is a few thunderstorms around, but fingers crossed they shouldn't linger around the Burrator area, even though it makes some nice photos. Of course, safety is paramount, and I've actually got a bunker, which I'm not going to tell you the location of, but if it does get bad, I'm going to resort to go in there. But yeah, let's take this first photo. So hello everyone, me again. I reckon I got maybe one or two decent photos with the raindrops on the reservoir, looking out to Sheeps Tor, Lowepro. It's just all of a sudden the wind's completely gone. It's really nice and peaceful. You can just see like even the fish just coming up to the surface. Yeah, if I got a nice photo, I hopefully would have shown you it. But now I've got the ND polarizer. The ND4 filter. Now I really want a nice, that is incredible, a nice long exposure ND grad filter just to darken the sky a bit. Right, this is going to be a nice 16:9 ratio image, maybe a bit like what you're seeing now. Yeah, this is really nice, beautiful conditions, just pays to come out in the rain sometimes. So one of the hardest things now I'm going to have to try and combat is indeed the raindrops. Microfiber cloth, ND filters, rain cover for the filter holder. Let's give it a go. Right, so I've got the filters in, albeit just the one now. I just decided to stick with the ND4 graduated filter, which is just helping darken the moody skies, proper moody skies. What a really nice, beautiful scene, serene scene, you could almost say. It's hard to show you now just because you're not here in person. I'm trying my best to just show you how nice it is right now. The midges are flying in front of me, but even got some mist flowing like it was quite a few months ago now in the morning. But yeah, right, let's stick to the photo. It's a really nice reflection photo, of course, so let me just describe you it before I show you. I've got the land balanced, nicely poised in the middle. If you've got the grid, the 3x3, it's just along the middle, really nicely. 20th of a second, f13, ISO low 64. This is a really nice photo, and before I talk to you in depth about it, I hope you like it. Well, I hope you liked that photo, everyone. I've just taken a better version of it. Why, you may ask? The thunder clouds have dispersed. Bit of blue sky, bit of sunshine. That is pretty insane. Pretty insane. Yeah. What I'm doing is, again, I'm looking for photos inside a photo. So of course I'm taking the 14mm shot. I'm then zooming in a bit, grabbing another one, zooming in a bit more, grabbing another one. I think I might even change the lens in a minute just to get a few minimalist ones maybe, with the reflections and the sunshine, which is looking great. I'm gonna get some clips, I'm gonna get some photos, and then I reckon we might crack on up to Sheeps Tor. Well, hello again everyone, and as you'll be able to see, I've made it up here to the top of Sheeps Tor. What a view! The sun is setting on the horizon towards Cornwall. It's actually just really nicely painting some soft sunshine onto the landscape. Yeah, really nice. Now, I'll be honest, I don't think I'm going to be talking through any more photos for today's video. I have taken a few though. The lambs have particularly piqued my interest, so. And there's one, actually, if I lay down, you'll see them just sat there. So it was facing that way towards Great Miss and Lowepro earlier, and managed to get a photo of, be able to make out just Penley, slightly bird in the background, which is quite cool. Yeah, it's Dartmoor, stunning views. You really enjoy up here. It's just nice to see towards Penley, where I've been for at least a month now. Of course, I've not been up here to Dartmoor because I've been so busy over there. But it's nice to be back, of course, just enjoying the view. Yeah, fantastic. Right, I need to finish the video somehow. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you some of the photos I've taken, but of course, I just wanted to come up here and in the end just enjoy the view, taking the landscape. Yeah, it was a nice evening. Of course, it started off in the rain, the thundery showers lurking. Yeah, that was quite cool. And I've been watching a lot of Moor on Hill more recently. Massive inspiration for me, especially with my wildlife photography. And I was just getting a bit excited just talking about it, but it felt like you're almost in the start of one of his videos. All the nice flowers and the rain, the nice atmospheric sounds. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope you like all the photos as well. Yeah, hopefully I'll be back soon as well. So thank you very much for watching today's video. See you all soon.